What if you could take flat footage and turn it into something cinematic? Rich shadows, controlled highlights, and perfect color balance, all inside Filmora. With its new advanced color grading system, Filmora is no longer just beginner-friendly. It's powerful. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Filmora now combines HDR Colour Wheels, hue saturation curves, LUTs, and precise color tools into one streamlined workflow. Let's break it down and build a cinematic look step by step.
Step 1. Basic color correction.
Before anything cinematic,
We fix the footage.
go to Color Basic and adjust. Exposure for brightness. Highlights to recover details. Shadows to bring back depth. White balance for natural tones. Then add vibrance and saturation. Your technical correction phase: clean, balanced, neutral. Step 2. Filmora HDR Colour Wheel, 6+1 system. Now comes the real cinematic control, the Filmora HDR Colour Wheel. Unlike traditional three-way wheels, Filmora gives you a 6+1 system, meaning black, deepest tones; dark, shadow, light, highlight; specular, bright reflections; global control. This is powerful because you're not just adjusting shadows and highlights, you're working with precise tonal zones. For a cinematic look, push black and dark tones slightly toward teal or blue. Add warmth to highlights and specular for natural light glow. This level of control lets you shape lighting like a professional colorist, not just adjust it. Step 3. Hue saturation curves. Now refine individual colors using curves. Hue versus saturation. Boost or reduce specific colors. Hue versus hue. Shift colors. Great for stylizing greens or blues. Hue versus luma. Control brightness of specific colors. Example: deepen sky blues. Slightly shift greens toward teal. Brighten skin tones without affecting the whole image. This gives you targeted cinematic control instead of global adjustments. Step 4. HSL Eyedropper and Color Palette. Now we get precise. Use the HSL Eyedropper to pick a color directly from your footage. Then adjust only that selected range. Combine this with the color palette to maintain consistent tones across multiple clips. Especially useful for storytelling and continuity. Step 5. LUTs. Now apply a LUT. LUTs instantly give your footage a cinematic base look. Film, warm, cool, or dramatic styles. But don't overdo it. Reduce intensity and blend it with your grading. Think of LUTs as creative direction, not the final result. Step 6. Final color optimization. Now we polish. Fine-tune contrast and saturation. Recheck highlights and shadows. Ensure skin tones stay natural. This is where your footage goes from edited to cinematic. With Filmora's HDR Colour Wheel, 6+1 system, advanced curves, and precise color tools, you can now achieve professional color grading directly inside your editor. It's no longer just about editing, it's about crafting the mood of your story. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one!